today we're going to do a quick test with the Dyson Omni-Glide. This is their newest portable handheld vacuum cleaner. It's very cool because no matter which way you push it, it's always going to be picking up debris because it has dual rollers. So even when you're pulling backwards, it's going to suck up the debris. That's the thing I noticed with most vacuums. You can go forward, but if you go back over the item, it'll kind of just pull it along with the vacuum. So very cool design. I want to see how well it's going to clean up. I put down some white rice, some chips, some Fruit Loops, and then a couple of jelly beans. We'll see if this can handle a little bit bigger debris and what it does with jelly beans and larger sized items like Fruit Loops. So my other concern with this guy is very cool, very lightweight, but the dirt bin that collects the dust is very, very small. I do not think there's any way it can handle even this big of a mess without me going to empty it. But it's very easy to empty, and I will show you that as well. Then we're going to move over to my stairs and use this tool that came with it. See how easy it is to clean the stairs with this guy. Because it is lightweight, and this should be perfect for the stairs. So this has two modes, normal suction and then maximum suction. We'll do this first on normal, and if I need to, I'll switch to max and see if that makes a difference. And then, like I said, we'll clean the stairs. If you're new, please do me a huge favor, like and subscribe, helps me out a ton. If you want to see any specific test with this guy, or I have the newest Dyson V15 Detect, I can do any kind of test you guys want to see with that. So let's just go ahead and get started, see how this guy does. This is normal suction. Just so you can hear the difference, here's max. So very cool, as you can see, you just pull it backwards and it cleans up the same exact way as it would forward. All that rice, no issue whatsoever, just pull it back. Can even go sideways. No matter which way you're pulling this thing or pushing, it's going to clean it up with no issue. I actually picked up those Fruit Loops pretty good. I thought I was going to struggle with those. There's a bigger Fruit Loop. You can see it's kind of pushing it. Here's a jelly bean. You can see anything the size of a jelly bean will not fit, which is a shame. That's pretty good overall with the Fruit Loops since they kind of break down when you push on them. The jelly beans, yeah, it's a no-go. So if you have a house with all hardwood or just a hard surface, this thing is awesome and it cleans really well. I will show you real quick that this is absolutely not for carpet at all. So as you can see, if you even turn it on carpet, it just stalls. See, it actually turns off just by pushing it on carpet. That's going to be the same on max suction too. So do not buy this thinking it's going to clean your carpet at all. This is a thin carpet too. So 100% this is not made for carpets, but it is obviously specifically made for the hardwood. Look at that. I didn't notice this on my prior testing. See how, wow. See how quickly this bin gets full? And it's not even all the way, oh, it's clogged. Okay, that's a big bummer, that's why. So just from Fruit Loops, this thing clogs. That's a big bummer. And I forgot to mention, I did put some about 6-inch black hair. And the hair is in the tube, but not on the rollers at all. So it does really good with hair. But man, for that being already clogged, just from, you can literally see 2 Fruit Loops. That's a massive bummer. Let's go see how easy this is going to be to unclog. So to empty this, it's very easy. You just push this, and push down. And it kind of pops everything out. But now I'm stuck, and the hair does not come out automatically with the push. That's easy to just reach in and grab the hair out. But yeah, there's your clog. So it is nice that this slides down to make it easy to get this clog out. But the fact that it clogs that easily just from a couple of Fruit Loops, that's a big problem. Because if you have kids and they're eating cereal for breakfast, they drop up 2 Fruit Loops, and you have to go and empty this yourself. It's kind of a bummer. But it is easy to unclog. However, they definitely should have made this hole bigger. Yeah, that's definitely a bummer, but you know, what can you do? Maybe this isn't the right vacuum for you, maybe it is. That's why I'm doing these tests. That way you guys know exactly what it can and cannot pick up. So let's go ahead and add the attachment on here, and we'll go clean my steps real quick. We'll see how easy it is to clean steps, because it is definitely lightweight and easy to hold with one hand. So to do that, very simple, just click this off. Pop this back in. Now you have this nice attachment, and then this will slide down and help you get along with some dusting or stuff that's in the corners that's a little bit harder to get to. You can see there's quite a bit of dust and debris right there. These stairs are actually pretty dirty. I haven't had time to clean them in a while, but we're going to go and clean them now, and I'll let you know how easy it is. I'm going to put on maximum suction for this. You can see it did those 3-4 stairs pretty easily. It's nice and light, so my hand is not fatigued yet. Let's go ahead and see if we can get the rest of these. Alright, that's kind of something dried up that's hard, so nothing's going to get that up until I wet it. But you get the point. It does pretty good on stairs. Halfway up I said my hand wasn't tired, but getting all the way up, you can definitely start to feel the weight a little bit more. But overall, still pretty easy to use, so I'd say it's pretty good on stairs. You can see the handle is just, you just hold it with one hand as you clean. It does a pretty good job overall. Let's see here if you can pick up the jelly beans with this attachment. So yes, with the attachment port, pick up jelly beans with no issues, as you would expect. So the hole is at least big enough for jelly beans. So, alright guys, I just want to do a quick video showing you what this can and cannot do. If you like the video at all, please do me a big favor. Smash that like button, consider subscribing. Let me know what other tests you'd like to see with this guy. And I can make that happen for you guys. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.